The demand for solar energy is higher than ever as energy costs and the effects of climate change continue to rise. Luckily for you, Syncarpha Community Solar gives residents, both homeowners and renters, the easy opportunity to access energy from our local solar farms at no upfront cost, saving you money on your electric bill while you support clean, renewable energy. With Community Solar, you don't have to install expensive solar panels on your roof to participate. You simply join our program for free and receive a share of our solar project's production. This is how it works. Syncarpha builds solar farms generating clean energy into the local power grid. As a subscriber, you receive a portion of our solar production through your utility. Your share of production is shown as credits on your electric bill, lowering what you owe to your utility. Each month, you receive two bills, one from your utility provider and one from Syncarpha. You pay your lowered electric bill with your applied solar credits, then you auto-pay Syncarpha for your credits at a 10 to 15% discount. Think of it like buying a gift card for your electric bill, but at a 10 to 15% discount. Not only are you paying less for electricity, but you are supporting renewable energy and helping create a healthier environment for future generations. Save money, save the environment with Syncarpha Community Solar.